Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down again to this ringtone and alert sounds, and as you can see here we've got the phone ringtone divided between two different SIM cards. Of course you can set different ringtones separately, so I'll show you how to do it using, for example, the second SIM card, but basically this operation is the same for both. So let's tap on the phone ringtone, and as you can see we will be transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option add ringtone, and after entering it we will be transferred to our own files. So for example, if you've got something downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here or in other files, for example downloads, and then you will be able to tap on it and set it as a ringtone. If you'd like to set something from the pre-installed ones, simply tap on the specific ringtone and listen to it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this relax option to be set as my ringtone, so just make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on my device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.